Next example of inverse of matrix, that is example number 4. If A is equal to 3 1 2 1, verify the result. A multiplied by A raised to minus 1 is equal to A raised to minus 1 multiplied by A is equal to I. I means identical matrix of 2 by 2 order. Now first, left hand side, A multiplied by A raised to minus 1. So first of all we need A raised to minus 1. A raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So first determinant of A, 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1, 3 minus 2, that is 1. Adjoint of A, first cofactor, plus minus 1 plus minus plus minus plus, 3 1 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 3, transpose it, 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. Now A raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 divided by 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3. Now first result, that is A multiplied by A raised to minus 1. A 3 1 2 1, 3 1 2 1 multiply 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. ફર્સ્ટ ની અંદર રો, સેકન્ડ ની અંદર કોલમ. ઓકે, 3 multiplied by 1 3, 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 4, 2 multiplied by 1 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 2, 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 1, 1 multiplied by 3 3, 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 3, 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2, that is minus 2, 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, is equal to 1, 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, here minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1, 3 minus 3, that is 0, 2 minus 2, that is 0, 3 minus 2, that is 1. Same way, A raised to minus 1 multiplied by A, 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 multiplied by 3 1 2 1 minus plus 3 minus 2 minus 6 plus 6, 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, 1 0 0 1. A raised to A multiplied by A raised to minus 1 is equal to A raised to minus 1 multiplied by A is equal to 1 0 0 1, that is I. So it is your answer. Next, example number 5. A 1 0 3 minus 2, AB 3 1 5 1, ABC 9 1 15 minus 1. Find BC. Okay, here AB is given 3 1 5 1. So B is equal to 3 1 5 1 divided by A. So B is equal to A raised to minus 1 3 1 5 1. So first we have to find out A raised to minus 1, that is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant of A, minus 0, that is 2. Adjoint of a cofactor plus minus minus plus 2 na minus 2 na 1 na 0 na minus 3 na 0 minus 2 na 1 sorry 1 na cofactor minus 2 1 na cofactor minus 2 0 na minus 3 na 0 minus 2 na 1. Now transpose it. This is our cofactor minus 2 0 minus 3 1. A raised to minus 1 is equal to minus 2 0 minus 3 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 minus 2 minus 3 0 1. So B is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 0 1 multiplied by 3 1 5 1. First row, second column. 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 6 plus 0. 3 3s are minus 9 plus 5 minus 2 plus 0 minus 3 plus 1 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So 1 by 2 2 अंदर 1 by 2 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई થશે તો દરેકના ડિનોમિનેશનની અંદર -2 so -3 -1 -2 -1. This is B. Now we have to find out now C. So ABC is given. ABC is equal to 9 1 15 minus 1. 9 1 15 minus 1. 9 1 15 minus 1. We have to find out C. AB is given. So C is equal to 9 1 15 minus 1 divided by AB. So C is equal to AB raised to minus 1 multiplied by 9 1 15 minus 1. So we have to find out inverse of AB. AB raised to minus 1 is equal to adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB. Determinant of AB. AB is given. AB is 3151. 3151. Determinant of AB 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Now adjoint of AB cofactor plus minus minus plus 3 na cofactor 1 1 na cofactor minus 5 5 na cofactor minus 1 1 na cofactor 3. Transpose it. 1 minus 1 minus 5 3. Okay. AB raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 3 5 3. So C is equal to 1 by minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 5 3 multiplied by 9 1 15 minus 1 9 1 15 minus 1 1 upon minus 2 first row second column. 9 multiplied by 1 9 15 multiplied by minus 1 minus 15 9 multiplied by 5 minus 5 minus 45 15 multiplied by 3 plus 45. 1 multiplied by 1 1, minus 1 multiplied by 1 1, 1 multiplied by minus 5 minus 5, 3 multiplied by 1 3, minus 1 by 2, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9, 6, 6 2 0 minus 2. So C is equal to 6 by 2, 2 by 2, 0 by 2, minus 2 by minus 2. So C is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3, 2 by 2, that is minus 1, 0, minus 2 by 2, 1. C is equal to 3 minus 1 0 1, and B is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is your answer. Last example of this type, example number 6. Find AB raised to minus 1 if A raised to minus 1 is equal to this and B raised to minus 1 is equal to this. AB raised to minus 1 is equal to, we know that properties of inverse, second rule, B raised to minus 1 multiplied by A raised to minus 1. So B raised to minus 1, 0 0 1 1 2 3 1 3 4 multiplied by A raised to minus 1, 1 minus 1 2 3 0 4 1 1 3. First ni row, second ni column. Okay. 1 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 3, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Second row, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Third, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Second row, 0 plus 0 plus 1, minus 1 plus 0 plus 3, minus 1 plus 0 plus 4. Last column, 0 plus 0 plus 3, 2 plus 8 plus 9, 2 plus 12 plus 12, 1 1 3, 10 2 19 14 3 26. This is AB raised to minus 1. This is your answer. Here our type 5 is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.